You're talking stocks with Nora the Stock Explorer.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nora. I want to present BNGO stock, or Bionano Genomics, okay? Now, their cytogenomics symposium is scheduled for this week. You can participate in that. Just go ahead and click on this right here to register, and you can listen in and learn a whole lot. It's going on all week about the what they do, and they look at the structural variants in your genome, and they go ahead and they can basically make a map from it. And there's so much to learn on here, guys. If you go ahead on the website, which is bionanogenomics.com, and you go to BioNanoU, okay, if you want to learn more about this, you can click on here, and there is so much in here that you can read about and the different work that they do. It's pretty fascinating stuff, guys. They go in and detect the tiniest of variations in your genome, which is inside your DNA, okay? They're basically making a map of where any potential problems may lie. And then, of course, there are other companies that fashion therapeutics in which to go ahead and try to correct these problems where things are out of place, okay? Now, let's look at the stock chart. BNGO is today sitting at $4.70. That's where it closed at last week. Okay. Now, with the symposium coming up, it's going to get a lot of attention. Obviously, you can see it's had a run up. Let's look at the month chart. It's had a run up, came down a little bit, but it looks like it's heading back up on a nice little run. Okay. It is listed as a buy in TradingView under the technicals. It is overbought. There are a lot of people buying the stock, trading the stock. There is a lot of volatility, okay? But I would wait and try to get in on a dip, because I think long term, this is an amazing company. I'm just trying to imagine what they might do 5 years from now, 10 years from now, where everybody can get their genome sequenced and start getting some sort of therapy to correct any type of health problems or ailments that they may have. Now, I want to show you, they did publish a study where they went ahead and they got in touch with Professor Dr. Temple Grandin, okay, who's brought awareness to autism spectrum disorder. She does have autism. However, she is a highly decorated PhD who works with animals and works on their care and their handling as far as being handled in a humane manner, okay? She works with a lot of livestock, okay? So they went ahead and they sequenced her genome. This is fascinating, guys, and if you want to read this, you can go ahead and search it, but I'm going to try to put the link in the description for you, okay? And what happened was they detected some health issues within her genome, okay? Not even the autism, by the way, is actually a gift in her particular case, because she has actually used it as a unique way of looking at the world and interacting with animals. It actually was a gift for her to have the autism, but there were other small little problems in there, and they pointed out where, you know, why she has other, you know, minor health ailments, and gave her a new perspective on how to go ahead and try to feel healthier due to these other things that were going on. Now their product is called Lineagen. Lineagen's genome analysis identified sequence variants in 3 ASD risk genes, one of which was initially discovered and validated by Lineagen, and structural variants in other neurodevelopmental genes that, while not considered diagnostic on their own, in combination could explain her ASD and related health conditions. Pathogenic variants were found in genes that explain her symptoms of pain. Okay, so why is she having some other sort of ailments? Well, these misaligned genes, well, this is explaining why. Okay. Which presented itself, of course, as she had some missing teeth and Mediterranean fever, which she was predisposed to getting. She did not get dental implants, which was actually good because there is bone weakness caused by what she has, which is called ectodermal dysplasia. Okay. So this is really amazing that you can see exactly what's going on. They can see if you're predisposed to cancer, if you're predisposed to Alzheimer's disease, if you're predisposed to Parkinson's disease. Okay, analysis of our pharmacogenetic genes found her to have a slow metabolism too. These are this is not life-threatening, but it's good to know and what is causing it. Okay, now she has many awards and honorary doctorate degrees from many different universities. Here's the list. Her autism is not a bad thing by any means. Okay, it has given her a unique perspective on the world, and look at all her accomplishments, guys. And this company, as they move forward and sequence people's genome, okay, you may discover that, okay, well, this is why I am the way I am, or that I have these ailments, or why I have these certain tics or these certain ways. Okay, but that doesn't mean that's necessarily a bad thing. That's what makes us all unique. I think eventually everyone is going to want to have their genome sequenced, or many people will, especially if there's any health implications for that. Okay, so I'm just showing you some of the positive things, some of the really fascinating, amazing things that this company can do. I got in really cheap. I got in at $1.15, okay, and I'm holding long term. Okay, they're working on generating error-free genome assemblies, basically presenting you with a map that has no errors in it. Like, this is the map of your genome. It's pretty amazing. And they can also do them in animals, as you can see right here. Okay, so go ahead to the website, check it out, see what they do. Okay, I'm just trying to look forward, guys, maybe 10 years from now, what they will be capable of. So have some patience and have some vision for these companies of what they're going to be in the future, guys. And I think you're going to want to have this one in your portfolio. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will be talking to you guys soon. I'll see you later.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.